Good morning and welcome to the vlog. I had to grab my phone because I ran out the door and forgot my camera. I am on my way to Staples to pick up my graduation tickets because I don't have a printer. Today is my graduation day, which is crazy that it's finally here. It feels so strange. Last night I was trying on my grad outfit, and when I was hanging it back up, I sliced my finger open on a really sharp metal hanger clip, and it was gushing down my arm. I probably should have got a stitch because it was just bleeding like that all night. Finally stopped. This is a fresh band-aid. Anyways, I also am gonna go out for dinner with my parents and then have some family over after. So it's a full day. I didn't expect it to be this rushed because I have to be at the ceremony at 2 o'clock, but it doesn't start until 3 o'clock. And it's about 20 minutes from here, which means we need to leave by around like 1:30-ish, and it is 9:30 now. So I need to finish tidying up, getting ready, taking a shower, and 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Okay, 4 hours, which that doesn't sound bad, but this is probably gonna take me like a half hour. Anyways, I hate feeling rushed, and that's what I feel today. And I woke up with like I woke up to a start. Our window, we can hear the garbage bins and somebody was moving them and slamming them, and I woke up to that, and that like gave me like a start, like it scared me, and it kind of made this like weird headache. And we were up late last night watching the Raptors lose, so I feel a little bit like I'm rushing and just trying to like cope. I would have liked to enjoy these moments a little more. This is the only time in my life that I'm gonna graduate again, probably, so I want to enjoy it. I want to savor the moment. Okay, into Staples. Excuse me. I might need to change my lipstick to something darker, but this is my final look. I had to wear these, which they're actually a good height. I was hoping to wear sandals, but couldn't find them. The one thing that I have a hard time with a jumpsuit is because I'm so short and like my legs are short. This part always feels so like long. We're just kind of killing a bit of time. I'm gonna go grab something to eat. I'm really hungry. What time is it right now? It's 1 o'clock. So probably gonna leave here. Andrew's got to take Walter out, and then we gotta leave here around like 1:20. Grab some food, and then it's graduation time, and it's nice and tidy in here except for that stuff. These pillows are drying. Oh, they're dry now. I'm not gonna put them out because Walter loves to lie on fresh pillows and put his dirty face. No matter how many times we wipe his face, dirt just like somehow is hiding in his face. So I'm not nervous. I actually found out that one of my friends, there's 2 graduation dates depending on when you finish your internship. And because I already finished mine, I get to graduate in June, but a lot of my classmates are graduating in October, but I really just wanted to get it like done, and so I didn't know who was all graduating, but I found out that I have a friend, so I'm really happy. Okay, we're here. We're just sitting in the parking garage. My hair just feels so pageanty today. We're 15 minutes early, so we're kind of sitting here, but there's no cell service, so we have to talk to each other. Andrew's gonna take over the filming of the ceremony, right? Mm-hmm. And my mom's coming. I only got 2 tickets, which is so crazy that they only give you 2 tickets. So my dad couldn't come, my grandma couldn't come. I tried to get more, it didn't work out. So my mom and Andrew are coming, and we're gonna have dinner after, and then we're gonna have everyone over to our place for dessert. So I guess maybe we should go in now. Okay. Student robing. Oh wow.
Can find you.
We're gonna graduate. All of us are graduating.
Today we are honoring graduates of the Faculty of Animation, Arts and Design. My name is Carol Altilia, Vice President, Student Experience and Enrollment Management, and I have the honor of serving as your Master of Ceremonies.
Oh, Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all.
Let me tell you, I have no idea. But what I do know is we should all be so proud, not just for graduating, but for making it in life this far. Because we are from the Faculty of Animation, Arts, and Design, which means we are the weird kids. We are the wallflowers, the film nerds, the art geeks, and the ones that think in exploding fears, not inside boxes. We are the ones that stayed up all night working on our passion projects, painting, drawing, writing, sketching, editing home videos that were not good, but still went to school the next day and tried to stay awake in math class.
I'd like to present the Academic Advisor of the Journalism Program, Sherry Lord. Laura-Lee and Cascanet Chen.
Me one moment in time when I'm more
I'm graduated, and this little stringy thingy says that I graduated with honors. So proud of myself. That was fun. It was very, very long, and now everyone's at dinner. I thought it was gonna be done by 4. It is 5:48, and reservations at 5:30. Olivia! We are home now. We have some people over, but I have a cake that I will show you. Why can't I get this open?
I'm not as fast as you. I am a one-finger typer. Really? Yes. So,
Happy graduation.
yeah.
Yummy. Watching The Bachelor.
I'm going to show you
We're gonna have the cake. We have all of my, oh, I think I already showed this today, but yummy. Everyone is gone. So I don't exactly know what I had said on the vlog before because everything was a little bit of a blur, but I graduated with honors. Didn't know, but I mean, I knew that my grades were good. I just didn't know that, I didn't know that was a thing. So they gave me this, which is like my school colors or my program colors, and then this represented the honors. And I was so proud. I wore this to dinner to show everybody I was a graduate. Like, I'm only graduating now, and you know, not again unless I decide to go back to school, which it's not out of the realm of possibilities, maybe one day, but I don't see it for now. And then I got my certificate, which obviously says I graduated from journalism with honors. I'm so proud of that. Like, I know I keep saying it, but I'm really proud of it. Then I got my little pin, my alumni pin to represent, and all this like info. But what I really love is Andrew. He's so sweet. He bought me a sweatshirt because I really wanted a sweatshirt of my alma mater, and that's what it looks like. It's so fluffy and cozy. I mean, the sad thing is this is probably not gonna last for a lifetime because I've had a sweater like this and they kind of get matted and flat, but it is really comfortable and cute. They set up a little like gift shop area at the graduation, but I can't believe I finished. So happy. I think I would have been way more emotional if the event wasn't so freaking long. It just took forever. Anyways, back to now. Dinner was amazing. My family, it was so nice to have family there, and then everyone came by to just have some cake and celebrate because it is almost 9:30, which isn't that late, but it is a Tuesday. I keep forgetting. It feels like a Saturday. So, you know, it's not the weekend. So I guess I will wrap up this vlog here. I'm sorry, I know it's kind of all over the place. Today was a little bit of a jumble because the graduation it was at such a random time. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this vlog here and take off my eyelashes and go to sleep. P.S. I'm loving having a tan though, so can't wait till it's a real tan and not a spray tan. But yeah, anyways. Okay, I am ready to go to bed. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you again for another video. Bye.